In any office, getting work done depends on clear, direct communication. Every day, colleagues accept assignments, update each other on progress, and coordinate their efforts. The phrases people choose affect how quickly and accurately others understand what action to take next. When someone asks, "Could you check on this?" they're making a polite request. Responding with, "I'll take care of it," shows you accept responsibility. If you're already busy, you might say, "I'm tied up at the moment," to explain honestly. As work progresses, phrases like, "I'm working on it," or "It's moving along," keep others informed without requiring long explanations. Sometimes work stalls. Saying, "I'm waiting for input," or "I'm waiting on someone else," clarifies why progress has paused. When problems arise, "I hit a small snag" acknowledges the issue while suggesting it's manageable. Small differences in wording matter. "I'm on it" signals immediate action, while "I haven't started yet" provides an honest update. These direct expressions establish who is responsible, what stage work has reached, and what happens next. They prevent confusion and help teams work efficiently together.